वहाँ पे है ना रिसेप्शन। One photo. Sir, one photo.
Sir, please, audience, sir, can we get to know how about it here?
Very well. Feel very nice. Feel blessed.
Nice. You had any conversation with his holiness?
No, I didn't.
No. Is it your first time here?
First time.
We are from Tibet Radio. How do you feel about today? Like,
It's good to be here and get the blessings of Dalai Lama sir, and obviously it's very auspicious for us to meet him, and hope the energy transform into us playing good cricket on the ground.
Is it your first time here in Dharamshala?
No, it's the second time, but last time we were here, I was here when it was his birthday. Didn't get to see him, but I was here.
अभी हो गया